Hi, you must be using PWA and you must be having a lot of people installing your app on their home screens. But do you know how many people are actually using it? Well, you don't. For that, we have created a feature called data analytics. So it's a neat little feature which will actually show you how many people are using PWA and how many of them are interacting on a daily basis. So over the period of a week or a month, you will get to know how your PWA is performing. So in the next step, we will see how to install this and how to use this feature. Let's have a look. So I've got the Pro Extension Manager. Obviously, once you purchase it, you will get an access to this. Now we'll just click settings. I have activated my key, so I've got access to all the Pro features, and now I'll just enable the data analytics feature. So just understand, I have already done this once and I have some data in it. So here's the one. If this is turned off, just make sure you turn on this feature and we'll click on the settings. Now here you will see all the data. So one PWA installation in the last 7 days, and this will show the data as per the timeline. So this little add-on helps you realign your strategy on how you are engaging the people. So that's it, guys. I hope this one helped you, and if you have some questions, just let me know in the comments, and if you want some more important information videos like this, just let me know and I would be happy to help you. Thank you. Bye bye.